Hey everyone, Roger here from Car Experts YouTube channel. It's parting out the E46 time, and I had a couple of people ask about two components. One's the glove box, and one was the side mirrors on the front door. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to start with the glove box. Zion, you going to give me a hand? Just so you know, removing a glove box in the E46 is very, very simple, super easy. Installing it, really just as easy. Let me show you how it's done. Glove box on an E46. Open it up, and inside there's 4 screws that we're going to start with. So there's a Phillips head here, a Phillips head here. There's a Phillips head behind the shock right there. So it's actually right there. And this little strap hanger on this side, there's a Phillips head screw hidden behind there as well. Now you're going to need a long screwdriver or a long adapter, but I like to do the side ones first, and I've loosened the screw on the side over here. Next, take the 2 top ones out. One there, and the other side. And the 3rd screw in the center as well on top. 3 screws on top. And you have to take the screw out in this bottom corner by the A-pillar right here. The glove box should now pop down like so, and it just drops right down nice and easy like that. I'm blinding you with that light. So you're going to need to unplug this anyways. So this harness just routes along the glove box. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove the harness. And then you have a harness on this side that's going to the light charger right here. So I'm going to go ahead, this is just 2 prongs here. Press each side, wiggle that out, and the harness is now out of the way. Now, the glove box is realistically supported on the bottom right here by these tabs. When you put it back in, basically you catch the bottom first on the bottom right here, and right here, and right here. And then just push the glove box into the top, and on top of the glove box you have these hooks right here, and that will hook into the cavity up here. Lock that in, put your screws back in, and you're good to go back together. But since I'm selling the glove box, this guy's going to stay out. Let's just take a look what we can see in this cavity we've created that's behind the glove box. What kind of modules, what kind of components are hidden back here. Just as a quick side note, you don't touch these screws right here. These 4 stay, so if you see this brace, don't touch those. That's for the pivot. You can take them off, but it's not going to help you remove the glove box. So behind the glove box we have some relays. There's some relays up top here, and we have the general module, which is right here. It looks like the zip tie is even installed on this general module right there, so I don't think anyone's ever had this general module out of the car. So what do you think, Zion? That's all it took to remove that glove box. Nice and simple. So follow these simple steps and just reinstall it in reverse order. Are you bored already, Z? Or are you going to go check out something else? He's going to check out something else to take apart, I guess. But very easy to remove the glove box. This glove box up for sale. And if you need one, let me know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my Car Experts YouTube channel as we part out an E46.